If you want to learn how to plant strawberries from a hanging basket, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am planting strawberries, and these are the kind that I am planting. The organic Blovalik strawberry Frasers, and they are the burpees. So I'm going to be planting these today. I have 2 plants to plant. And what I'm going to be using is topsoil, a little topsoil on the bottom, but mostly potting soil on the top. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I do not know what happened to my little shovel, so I'm just going to be using this little bonnie plant container. So I'm going to go ahead and put my topsoil in the bottom. And this is an 11 by 4.5 container, close to 5. I think it's at 11 by 4.75. So that's about how much I have of topsoil on the bottom. I am outside at my planting table, so you'll hear different things outside. But I'm starting now with the potting soil. I'm kind of mix it a little bit. I've only gotten halfway up the container, so I'm going to mix it a little bit with the topsoil. That's about halfway up. So the soil is close to the top. I'm going to go ahead and take out our plants, our strawberry plants. Just kind of squeeze them out a little bit. And you want to kind of take off any of the bad leaves. I'm going to snip those off. And any brown leaves you definitely want to remove. So you want that little inward plant to be coming out too. That's a good sign when you purchase your strawberry plant. So you're going to go ahead and loosen up the roots so that it knows that it's time to grow. And you're going to dig a little hole there and go ahead and plant your strawberry plants. Go ahead and get it down in there. I'm going to go ahead and plant 2 in 1 container. And there you are. Beautiful strawberry plants are all finished. Came out really nice. So I have it hanging up already right by the garden bed. And always, as soon as you plant, make sure to water, you guys, so those roots start taking hold. Can't wait for the harvest.